Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm about to go out to get some grocery and also to get some microwave. So guys, maybe I will be buying other things. So guys, come along with me. Let's go.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring.
Arrive at the shop where I will be buying the microwave. So this is me at the shop trying to check the ones I will be going for. The seller, they were like telling me that I should go for this particular one, Scan Frost, and I've not really used the brand before. I've used Hisense, LG, Kwood, and all of that, but this particular one I've not used it before. They were saying that it has 2 years warranty, so I finally bought it, pay for it. This is where they brought it out to test and all of that, pay for it. And yeah, I'm on my way to the grocery store. So guys, enjoy the video.
I'm getting closer.
So I finally arrived at the grocery store. I'm here trying to pick out some things I will be buying shrimps, hot dog, and other things. So guys, please do what to like, drop your comments at the comment section, share, subscribe, enjoy the video. I have to mute the background music because of copyright. So guys, enjoy the video.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me.
Bad food. Food.
Tonight?
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what